who wants to produce their own electricity from the handmade solar panel with sheets, solar sheets or solar element like this one to watch my next videos. This is just one element of the solar panel that after assembling and measuring I got 8.4 watts or 1.72 volts and 4.9 amps. You can create whatever power you need by connecting the required number of the solar cells, like the one here. For a 100 watt panel you need 36 solar cells or 12 solar sheets. One element of the solar panel consists 3 solar cells, tubbing wire and laminating sheets. The tubbing wire is two kinds, 5 mm width, 1.5 mm width. You need the flux pane to clean the place where you're soldering. What tools you need? You need the knife, tweezers, scissors, soldering iron, laminating machine. It's simple, I will show you later. So we can start to assemble the solar element, the first one. So all the rest is the same. We need to cut the tubbing wire, 4 pieces, 223 mm. Two pieces, 134 mm. And 2 pieces, 102 mm. The solar cells produce DC voltage and the top is negative, the bottom is a positive. We have to clean the places where we are going to solder, that is the white line. That is the negative side. I prefer to start on the negative side. You can start on the positive, in the back of the solar cell. It depends of you. I recommend you use 60-65 watt soldering iron with the variable temperature potentiometer to find the right operating temperature. For more convenience, you can use weight to stabilize the position of the solar cell when soldering the tubbing wire. It is good to fit exactly on the white line and you will not waste time putting it on the right place during the soldering.
I solder the lead stabbing wire under the solar cell. That is my plan. Like that you can save the space and the panel will be easier to install. Of course, I have a different way. If you wish, you can solder them outside, but you have to cut the positive tabbing wires longer. We have to rotate the tabbing wires of the negative side, so we can solder them to the lead tabbing wire. This must be done carefully so as not to break the solar cell. Direction of the tabbing wires are changed for every solar sheet. You can make your own judgment after seeing the panel diagram.